I bet you're making at least 3 common mistakes when it comes to renting, and number 2 will shock you. This is not financial advice, but rather an exploration of the rental market. And what I'm about to show you will change how you think about renting forever. On-screen text: 70% of renters are not throwing money away. As we navigate the ever-changing landscape of personal finance in 2026, it's essential to consider all options when it comes to housing. With the current state of the market, renting is no longer just a temporary solution but a viable long-term strategy for many. In this video, we'll explore the math behind renting and why it might be the smartest decision for you. So, let's dive in and discover the benefits of renting. So, what exactly makes renting a smart decision? For starters, it allows you to conserve capital that would otherwise be tied up in a mortgage. This means you can invest in other assets, such as stocks or a small business, which can potentially generate higher returns. Additionally, renting often comes with lower upfront costs, such as no down payment or closing fees. But here's the part nobody talks about: the opportunity cost of owning a home can be substantial, and renting can provide the freedom to pursue other financial goals. Let's take a look at some real data to illustrate the benefits of renting. According to a recent study, renters who invest their excess funds in the stock market can earn an average return of 7 to 8% per year. In contrast, homeowners who tie up their capital in a mortgage may only earn a 3 to 4% return on their investment. Furthermore, renting can provide flexibility and freedom to move to different locations, which can be beneficial for career advancement or personal growth. As we can see, the math is on the side of renting, at least for some individuals. So, what can you do to make the most of renting? First, consider investing your excess funds in a diversified portfolio. Second, take advantage of tax benefits, such as deductions on rental income. And third, prioritize your financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment or investing in other assets. Remember, this is not financial advice, but rather a guide to help you make informed decisions. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any major decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal finance and investing. In our next video, we'll explore the benefits of investing in real estate investment trusts, and how they can provide a steady stream of passive income. As we dive deeper into the world of REITs, you'll discover how they can help you achieve financial freedom, but for now, let's just say that it's going to be a game changer, and you won't want to miss it, so be sure to hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you in the next video, as we explore the exciting world of